There you go.
Here, give him a minute. Tell her what he thinks about it. Is it your turn?